Meaning of discretion.
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 Discretion. Discretion refers to the ability to make decisions based on good judgment and careful consideration of all relevant factors. It involves using one's wisdom and experience to determine the best course of action, while also being respectful of privacy and confidentiality when necessary. Discretion is important in many aspects of life, including personal relationships, business dealings, and public service. It allows individuals to handle sensitive situations with tact and diplomacy, and to act in ways that promote trust and respect. Ultimately, discretion helps to build strong, positive relationships and promote success in all areas of life.